Look at the suman. Let's try what's inside. There. Welcome home bakers to another episode of my YouTube channel, Basic Home Baking by Myrna. I hope by now you have liked and subscribed, so I'll be more inspired to give you a new yummy recipe every time. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make one of the most delicious kakanin here in the Philippines, the kasaba suman, or suman kamoteng kahoy or balinghoy. Kasaba suman is made with a mixture of grated cassava, brown sugar, and coconut milk. Made extra special with the addition of evaporated milk and butter. This mixture is individually wrapped and sealed using banana leaves and then steamed. The ingredients are 3 cups of grated cassava, 1/2 cup of coconut milk, 1/2 cup of evaporated milk, 1/4 each of star margarine and butter, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of brown sugar. For the filling, we have 1 cup of grated young coconut or buko, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of water. And of course, these banana leaves. Use around 7 inches in width to cut your banana leaves. You have to pass this over gas flame quickly and then cut into uniform sizes. Choose the white big tubers, the fresh ones with no black lines, and then cut it at the center and remove the thick white vein. And then we're going to grate the cassava. Grate it finely. We're going to use 1 kilo of cassava. Okay, we're going to start mixing. 3 cups of grated cassava. You don't have to squeeze the cassava. 1/2 cup of milk, coconut milk, 1/2 cup of evaporated milk, brown sugar, butter, and the salt. We're going to wrap this, but first we have to cook our filling. Set this aside. We're going to cook the filling. Mix everything. The sugar, and the water. We're going to put this over medium heat. This is the buko filling. We're going to cook this until thick. This is done. This is ready. Okay, we're going to wrap the suman. Then we're going to put the filling. around 1/3 cup. Make another one. The filling. And then raw. Another one. Then we're going to tie these two together. Then we're going to add water. Add enough water to cover the suman. And then we're going to steam this. Steam this until the water evaporates. Cover and let it boil until all the water evaporates. Okay. This suman is steaming for an hour already. Look at that. This is done already. Now, our cassava suman is cooked, boiled and steamed for an hour. Let me transfer. Let's open. Let's see what's inside. See how beautiful. Look. There you have it, my cassava suman or sumang kamoteng kahoy or balinghoy. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you on my next episode. Enjoy!